Is your iCloud settings grayed out on your iPhone and you're not sure why? Don't worry, you're not alone. This can happen for a few reasons like restrictions, account issues, or even network problems. But no need to stress, I'm here to guide you through some simple steps to help you get full access back to your iCloud settings. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check for restrictions. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Scroll down a little more and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. After that, scroll down and tap on Accounts under the Allow Changes section. Now make sure to select Allow. Then go ahead and restart your iPhone to apply the changes. Solution 2. Sign out and back into iCloud. Open the Settings app again on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Next, scroll down and select Sign Out. Wait a moment, then sign back in using your Apple ID. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open Settings once more. Tap on General. After that, select Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install to make sure you have the latest features and fixes. Solution 4. Check Apple System Status. Open your browser and search for Apple System Status. Go to Apple's official page to check if iCloud services are down. If iCloud is having issues, you may need to wait until Apple resolves them. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings again. Tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. After that, select Reset All Settings. Now enter your passcode. Finally, tap Reset All Settings to confirm. And there you go. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the grayed out iCloud settings on your iPhone. If this helped, make sure to hit that like button. Got any questions or run into any issues? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for tuning in.